Hey, Angela. Yeah, you did it right. Trying to figure out what components I was missing and added them. Yep, that's all this assignment is doing. Is it's just preparing you to complete your full character sets for your uppercase, lowercase, and your character sets as well as your punctuation. So this assignment's kind of preparation just to reinforce this principle of using anatomical parts over to create additional letters in your alphabet. And as we know, that's how it's done. And I think that's one of the main learning objectives of the assignment itself is to just to really understand how typeface, the mechanics, um, the nature of the mechanics is by using and reusing parts as opposed to individually designing each letter form, which you are, but you're borrowing visual components to create these spatial relationships and these optical relationships um, based on consistency. So that's the big thing here, and that's what we're trying to do here. We're just trying to shoot for a good harmony based on consistency. So what I have here is I've got your Game of Thrones, your title, which was completed, right? But what you've done is you've gone through here and you've looked at what you have and what you need to create the additional letter forms, and that's fantastic. That's great. Good job aligning. I'm sorry, using these guides to align your tape. That's fantastic. Great job labeling. This is just set up beautifully. Zoom in here real quick. I want to see something. Just check here. You've got your descender. But you know what? Let me see what you have. You have your baseline descender depth. I'm not sure which line is indicating your descender depth. Now, technically, I'm glad I looked at this because you've got this descender right here on your A, but that's coming down to this dashed line, and then you have it right here. But then over here, you've got this J, which also has a descender, but that's coming clear down to the descender line. So you should definitely have some consistency there. The J is a descender as well as, well, I guess that's more considered to be a swash. Okay, I see what you're doing. I get it. Okay, and that's fine because that lowercase p, that's a descender as well as the J. So you are using your descender line correctly. I see what you're doing. That line is just to indicate that offset or the swash in some of your letters. I get it. Okay, yeah, it's good job. Good setup, definitely. Um, and you're great. You're looking good. I mean, you're ready to roll. So milestone 2, don't forget. A little bit of work to do here. So prepare accordingly because we've got to continue. Milestone 2, we have to submit the completed uppercase alphabet, the completed lowercase alphabet, as well as your numeric character set 0 through 9 and your punctuation. So a little bit of work to do here still, but still, I think you're looking great. I think you're making really, really good progress here. And all right, so looking forward to seeing milestone 2, the remainder of your character sets. This is great. You're ready to submit. No further work done on this milestone 1. So let's just jump right into milestone 2. All right, good job. Thank you very much, Angela.